Shanghai Trans Intelligent Technology Company Limited cooperated with a professional factory in the field of motion control, which integrates R&D, manufacturing, and sales as a whole. Trans-cooperated factory's R&D team has 17 years gear design and manufacturing experience. With a forward-looking vision, Trans established a precision and driver division in collaboration with a Taiwan reducer technical team, developing precision gear reducers like planetary reducers, harmonic reducers, 90-degree servo, icoboidal pinwheel RB reducers. Additionally, Trans also provides precision rack and pinion, coupling, linear motor, and servo motor, and offers OEM and ODM services. Our precision planetary reducers feature low backlash, small noise, and superior efficiency, with sizes and accuracy compatible with Japanese and German reducers, enabling direct replacement. Trans-cooperated factory matches a large inventory of standard gearboxes and flanges suitable for different motors to achieve the fastest lead time of 7 to 10 working days, saving customers costs in terms of time. Trans products are widely applied in fully automated equipment such as laser cutting machines, woodworking engraving machines, gantry machine tools, industrial robots, and 3C automation, photovoltaic equipment, automobile manufacturing, milling machines, including full servo tissue machinery, precision embossing printing machines, servo pipe benders, precision coating machines, etc. and C-spring machines. Trans products are sold in 105 countries worldwide, earning recognition and repeat purchases from European and American customers. Trans is dedicated to the motion control fields. We provide quality products, timely and fast services, and strive to become a leader in the transmission field. Your satisfaction is our eternal pursuit.